Thought I would show you my path to my hive. You check it now and then to make sure that it's still okay and everything's all right. This time, I noticed when I picked up the bars that is this little gray stuff along here. That is a wasp trying to build her nest on the top bars. But she didn't get it done, so it's all good. I use a lemongrass essential oil in it to help as an attraction to the bees. And if I don't get bees in it this year, I'll be able to maybe be able to buy myself some and put them in. But the lemongrass oil is supposed to be supposed to help attract them. I guess we'll see.